Deep in the heart of the laughing leaf jungle, the sun peeked through the trees, and something exciting was in the air.
Good morning, jungle folks. Today's the big day. The Loudest Roar contest is back.
And no one was more ready than Larry the lion, the fluffiest, most enthusiastic lion in the jungle.
Joe!
Larry had a big voice, but also a big problem. He always sneezed instead of roaring. No matter how hard he tried, a sneeze would sneak up right when he was about to roar.
Try holding a leaf under your nose. Maybe it'll stop the tickle.
Or do a silly dance before roaring to confuse the sneeze.
Just sneeze and shake the jungle anyway.
With encouragement from his friends, Larry marched off to the contest, nervous but excited.
Let the roars begin. First up, Tara the tiger.
Wow!
And now, Larry the lion.
Joe.
A massive sneeze sends a cloud of dust, feathers, and leaves flying. Tico gets tossed into a bush. Bella spins in the air. The jungle roared with laughter. Larry tried again, and again, and every time he sneezed louder than before.
At least I'm making noise.
Even the vines quiver with every sneeze, and monkeys fall off branches from giggling.
Who needs a roar when your sneeze is this powerful?
And now, the judges have made their decision.
Drum roll of monkeys pounding coconuts.
The winner of the Loudest Roar contest is Larry the lion, for his raw, some sneezes that made the jungle laugh the most.
Achoo, thank you.
And from that day on, Larry wasn't just known for his sneezy roar, he was crowned the king of jungle giggles. Because sometimes, even a sneeze can steal the show. Be yourself, even your quirks can make you shine.